Welding Wars started as, I think everybody that works with us really has a passion for doing what they do, right? And so it's about letting other people know that this is a viable career option. Welding Wars helps get that information out there and lets the kids know and connect them with employers in the area, other people in the trade, and they can hear their story where everybody has a different one in relations to the trade.
That came straight from the Workforce Investment Board's data saying that there's a need for welders in our area. So again, the Regional Business Alliance, local schools, and companies. This was industry-led as well for CNC piping and fabrication to come up with a competition to raise the level of awareness of the importance of welding careers and opportunities in our area.
It shows them, what we do in this field. It's not an easy field. And they kind of get to get their hands on it a little bit and see what we get to do and what we have to go through. Because a lot of these places we have to test in, and they bend our test and make sure we're qualified to work out there.
It's just an exciting opportunity for so many different individuals, high school students, college students here at CVCC, as well as industry partners that had this competition for our high school students. It allows them to have an opportunity to showcase their talents. And by tying into the college level, that could be the next level for them as they graduate from high school. They want to continue that education in welding. Having those professionals there to participate as well, that shows them that this is the bar. This is where you want to be. And so it ties everything together nicely. And so we can, again, from the high school to the business, have this pipeline of talent.